Hello everyone, this is Duncan from Abelian Foundation. Today I'm going to show you how to do the CPU mining by connecting your CPU mining software to a remote mining server. Item number 4 is called Abelian CPU Mining Pool Client. So we are going to download one of these softwares depending on which operating system you are using. My computer is a macOS computer, and also there are two versions of macOS. For example, if you have an M1 or M2 chip, those newer MacBook or MacBook Pro, then you need to download this macOS Apple Silicon one. But if you have an old version of the MacBook Air, for example, the one I'm currently using, let me show you. It's a pretty old one, which is running on an Intel i5, I believe. Then we just download this macOS one, which is for the Intel processor. So now I'm going to download this software package. And as you can see, we have downloaded this compressed package. What I'm going to do is to uncompress this .gzip file. And then I get into this folder. So in this folder, as you can see, there are two files. One which is executable, which is basically the client software. Another one is the configuration file. So for example, if I want to connect to Charlie first, all you need to do is to move this Charlie line to the first. So this software is going to visit Charlie server first. If Charlie is not reachable, then it will move to the second line, which is Alicia, and so on. So the next part that we need to specify is our own wallet address. What I'm going to do is to use the desktop wallet, the Abelian wallet desktop, and use this one to generate wallet address. Then all you need to do is to go back to the download page, and the first item of the download page is called Abelian desktop wallet. And you can download that software from there. Again, there are several versions depending on your architecture as well as your processor. And then at the desktop wallet, the first thing we need to make sure is that the ABEC service as well as the ABE wallet service are both running, and they are all synchronized. And because previously I generated my wallet address already, so that's why you can see the wallet address over here. But if you are running it for the first time, there will not be any wallet address, and you have to press the create address button in order to create this wallet address. So once this wallet address is created, the next thing I'm going to do is to copy it to the clipboard. So I copy to the clipboard, the address copied. This is the length, which is pretty long. And then I try to paste the wallet address over here. Now let's save this configuration file. As you can see, because this is the first time I'm running this executable file, there will be some security measures that will have some warning message pop up. And then we move to the settings. And then under privacy and security, just scroll down and we will be able to see our software was blocked. And all we need to do is to allow it. The next thing is to rerun it again. And then as you can see, it says that the developer cannot be verified and whether we want to open it anyway or not. So let's open it. Over here, first of all, it shows the version number, and also it connects to the wallet address Charlie, as we want to connect to this GPU mining site first. But while it's connecting to there, because this is the first time that we are running, so we actually need to do the registration. In order to do the registration, we have to pick a password for it. So let me just pick a password as like this. So once I picked that password, as you can see, it actually connects to the Charlie server successfully. So as you can see, there is a username here. Let me just copy it down. And over here, it shows the link of the mining pool website. The first thing we need to do is to sign in. So we press the sign in button. And then we need to enter the username. As you can see, because we have only registered on Charlie, and that's why Charlie can be signed in successfully, but we cannot sign in Alicia, Baker, or Dior. So we press continue. And then at the dashboard, we can see the number of Abels we have mined. And also, if we click into Charlie, we can actually see the details. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.